Starting fresh. Understanding a new chapter in life. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very inspiring phrase, a new chapter in life. This phrase is rich in meaning and often used in various contexts. Stick around as we break it down for you, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. When we hear the phrase, a new chapter in life, it evokes the imagery of turning a page in a book to start a new section. This metaphor is used to describe a significant change or beginning in someone's life. It implies progress, moving forward from past experiences, and starting anew with fresh opportunities and challenges. This phrase can be associated with positive changes like starting a new job, moving to a new city, beginning a new relationship, or any other major life transitions. Why do we use this phrase, and why is it important? Emphasizing the new chapter in life helps individuals frame their experiences in a positive light, seeing change as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. It's a way to acknowledge that while the past is part of our story, the future holds new possibilities that are yet to be written. This perspective encourages optimism and resilience, essential qualities for navigating life's ups and downs. Incorporating a new chapter in life into your conversations can be uplifting and motivating. Here are a few examples of how to use it. When congratulating someone, congratulations on your new job. It sounds like an exciting new chapter in your life. When reflecting on personal growth, moving to a new city was tough, but it marked a new chapter in my life that I'm truly grateful for. When offering support, I know this has been a difficult time for you, but think of it as the start of a new chapter. There's so much more to come. A new chapter in life is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset that encourages looking forward to the future with hope and excitement. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of its meaning and how you can use it to inspire yourself and others. Remember, every day is an opportunity to start a new chapter in your own life story. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay curious, and keep learning.